Home security is a top priority for Houston residents, as the city's dynamic urban environment comes with a blend of vibrant living and unique security challenges. Among the many elements that contribute to a secure home, doors play a pivotal role. Investing in door replacement not only boosts your home's aesthetic appeal but also significantly enhances its security. Here's how upgrading your doors can transform your home into a safer haven. Why door security matters in Houston. Houston's diverse neighborhoods vary widely in architectural styles and security needs. From sprawling suburban homes in Katy to modern downtown lofts, every property needs a reliable first line of defense. Doors are often the most targeted entry point for burglars. Weak, outdated, or improperly installed doors can be an open invitation to intruders. With Houston's climate adding another layer of concern, think intense heat, humidity, and storm risks, your doors must be robust enough to withstand environmental wear and tear while providing maximum security. Signs it's time for a door replacement. Many homeowners overlook the importance of door replacement until a problem arises. However, keeping an eye out for the following signs can help you stay proactive. Visible damage, cracks, dents, and warping in the door or frame compromise its structural integrity and make it easier to force open. Outdated locks. Older doors may not support modern, high-security locking systems. Drafts or poor insulation. Besides compromising energy efficiency, gaps in your door could allow easy tampering. Wear and tear. Aging hardware or hinges can weaken over time, making the door less secure. If your door exhibits any of these issues, it's time to consider a replacement. Key features of a high-security door. Modern door replacements come equipped with advanced security features. Here are some characteristics to prioritize. Sturdy material. Opt for materials like solid wood, steel, or fiberglass. Steel doors, for example, are highly resistant to physical attacks, while fiberglass provides durability and insulation. Advanced locking mechanisms. Deadbolts, smart locks, and multi-point locking systems offer superior protection against break-ins. Reinforced frames. A door is only as strong as its frame. Reinforced steel or composite frames prevent kick-ins and other forced entry attempts. Impact resistance. For Houston residents, doors that can withstand extreme weather conditions, such as hurricane impact doors, provide an added layer of security. Security glass. If your door features glass panels, choose options with laminated or tempered glass to prevent shattering. Benefits of door replacement for home security. Replacing your door does more than just improve its appearance. Here are some ways it can enhance security. Deterrence. A sturdy, modern door sends a clear message to potential intruders that your home is well protected. Enhanced durability. High-quality doors withstand both physical force and environmental challenges, ensuring long-lasting security. Smart features. Many modern doors support smart technology, allowing you to monitor and control access remotely via smartphone apps. Improved energy efficiency. Sealed and insulated doors prevent drafts, which, while primarily an energy-saving benefit, can also eliminate vulnerabilities in the structure. Choosing the right door replacement partner in Houston. The effectiveness of a door replacement largely depends on the quality of both the product and the installation. In Houston, where extreme weather and security concerns are prevalent, working with a trusted door replacement provider is essential. Look for a company that offers high-quality products. Choose a provider with a range of durable and secure options suited to Houston's climate. Provides expert installation. Improper installation can undermine even the most secure door. Partner with experienced professionals who ensure a flawless fit. Prioritizes customization. Houston homes vary in style. Your door replacement should match both your aesthetic preferences and security needs. Delivers excellent customer support. From consultation to post-installation, a customer-focused company ensures peace of mind throughout the process. Final thoughts. In a bustling city like Houston, enhancing home security is a wise investment that starts with your door. Door replacement is more than an upgrade. It's a commitment to protecting your loved ones, your possessions, and your peace of mind. By choosing the right door and a reliable replacement partner, you can significantly reduce vulnerabilities and enjoy a safer, more secure home. Whether you're dealing with an aging door or simply looking to elevate your security, don't wait. Take the first step towards a secure future and explore the benefits of a professional door replacement today.